Imagine being handed an Aston Martin, one of the rarest of its kind, by your boss as a thank you note for helping to fix his car. Now imagine towing the same car home, promising yourself you'd restore it, and you never did. That's exactly what happened to a man in New York, and the car he left sitting in the barn for over 30 years just resurfaced, and they're saying it's worth over $300,000. This isn't just any Aston Martin. The 1962 DB4 was revolutionary, a 3.7-liter engine capable of 140 miles per hour and the first production car in the world to go from 0 to 100 in under 30 seconds. It was originally finished in a striking blue paint with red leather seats, classic British luxury mixed with performance. The term is thrown around a lot, but this is a legit, real deal barn find located in New York. A 1962 Aston Martin DB4 left untouched in a barn for over 3 decades, and it's just now seen daylight. It's listed for 242,000 euros, or just over 324,000 US dollars, by Goldwing Motorcars. What makes this find so incredible is that it still has its matching numbers engine and hasn't been modified or stripped like so many cars from that era. So, how did this classic car end up sitting in a barn for decades? According to the seller, the car was given to the owner in the 1970s. After returning home from Vietnam, he took a job at a local body shop. One day, his boss asked him to come to work on his personal car at his house. He agreed, and after completing the job, the boss surprised him by gifting him the car. He had the car towed to his home, where he hoped to restore it, but as the story goes, life got in the way. In its prime, the DB4 was a beast. It had a 3.7-liter straight six engine capable of 140 miles per hour, and it was the first production car in the world to go from 0 to 100 and back to 0 in under 30 seconds. This particular DB4 was originally painted a deep, eye catching blue with a red leather interior. Even today, despite its rust, the bones of this car are all there. The engine is complete, the body is solid, and with Aston Martin values climbing, the car could be a serious six-figure investment for the right collector. And here's the twist, because there's always a twist. There were many attempts to restore the car over the years. Some parts were pulled off and cleaned, tools were found nearby, but for whatever reason, the project was abandoned. Some believe the owner ran out of money, others say he wanted to preserve the car untouched, but in the end, he simply closed the barn doors and walked away. Now, decades later, collectors are left wondering what other stories are sitting under tarps waiting to be uncovered. This 1962 Aston Martin DB4 could have been forgotten forever, but now it's resurfaced, and its new owner has the chance to finish what was started over 40 years ago. If you had found this car in a barn, would you restore it or leave it exactly how it is, like a time capsule?